back to our channel. And this is LV Brothers Creativities. It's the second video, guys. Now in this video, I'm going to teach how to make a paper plane. So let's get started. Now we need to take a sheet and guys, we need to fold it like this. Guys, I'm not able to show you properly. 1 second, guys. Let me do that. Oh, but guys, you can also do like this. Fold the paper like this first. Both are the same ways. So I'm going to teach you this way. This will be little easier. This step adds. Guys, after this, you will be able to see a mark here. Are you able to see, guys? Yeah. And to this gap, we need to fold it properly. Yes, guys. And again, one second, guys. Yes, guys. See, guys, I finally folded like this, guys. Now the next step is like this, guys. Yeah. Yes, guys. It was like this, but I made like this. Guys, are you able to see it properly? Okay. See, guys. Next move is like this. Let me show you, guys. Yes, guys. You are able to see, guys. I made it like this. We need to leave a part here, guys. And what is the part here? We need to fold it up, guys. And I'm pressing it, guys. So after pressing, I need to immediately turn this backwards, guys. Yes, guys. After doing this, guys, we need to fold this like this, guys. Guys, what I'm doing is the ninja star? No, guys.
No,
it is
guys.
a plane. Yeah, guys. After doing this, again we need to fold this side also, guys. See, guys, you are able to see, guys. See, guys. See, guys, finally I made a plane. So cameraman, Virat, can you pause the video? See, guys, we will fly like this, guys. So please like, share and subscribe our video, guys. Bye.
Bye.